Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about some some words that contain the properties of both noun and a verb. We know that verbs are action words and noun is the name of any particular person, place or thing. Okay, and even some abstract ideas or feelings, even they are comes under the category of noun, and verbs are the action words. So but here we are talking about certain words that are both. They are verb and noun. They are both. They are used at both. For example, if you see here, see these sentences. The first sentence it tells, you can see the first sentence, it tells here, first sentence you can see, he insults others, and in the next sentence you can see, I could not bear this insult. Now here the insult in this sentence is used as a verb. Here it is an action of insulting is done by he, and whereas I could not bear this insult, here the insult itself is a noun. So in this way you can easily differentiate when it is used as a action word, when it is used as a verb, and when it is used as a noun. You see second sentence, can you decrease the volume? Here decrease means actually the action that can you decrease the action, this can you yourself can decrease it, you can do the action of decreasing the volume. And in the second sentence there is a sharp decrease in the price of petrol. It means that decrease means decrease itself. Okay, it's not an action, decrease itself is a kind of noun. So in this way you can easily understand, for example the third sentence, the Rahul exports means Rahul does the action of exporting, and in the next part you can see that the export of the export itself becomes the noun. So in this way you can easily see the difference between these words, verb and noun. For example, if you see now the exercise number A, read the following sentences and the highlighted word and use tell that whether this is used as a verb or a noun. For example, my answer to your question is correct. My answer. So here the answer itself, it is not something like that, it is not the action of answering. It is not like that I answered. This is my answer itself, so it is a noun here. So in this way you will do this whole exercise, and then you will send it to the work group. Okay, and if you feel any problem then ask in doubt session. All right, so in this way